Well guys, today I'm making another slime, but not like any slime video you've ever seen. Today I will be mixing 3 slimes. This one, and this one. And see what color it'll be. Pause the video or comment right now what color you think it'll be. Well, let's get started. So you're first gonna take your pink or whatever color. And then now I'm going to take my white. I'm kind of really excited to do this. I mean, I still have some slime left after this. Plus I can make more. Alright, that's our white slime. And then our green slime. So I already mixed, so technically we're mixing 4 colors. I just already mixed a white one. Well, technically, yeah, just 3. I mixed a smaller white one, slime into my pink one already. So yeah. Alright, so this is my green one. Okay. Ready? Let's see. Alright. So I want to see how big this is gonna be. Oh wait, we should get some more slime. I know just Nope. Okay, just gonna fold it over. Try not to get out of my table, so Alright, I'll be right back once I'm done mixing it. Alright guys, I finished mixing all of my slime together. This result. It is a light green color. Sophie said it was going to be a green or light green. You're right at half right. Look at that. Okay, so now we're going to mix more slime. But we're going to make slime. So you're going to be needing your one spot. Start by opening your glue. Good job. Alright, and after you have done that, you're going to need to pour in your straw. None of this is optional. None of it. Because if it was, then it wouldn't be slime. Just be weird stuff. It'd be either just liquid starters or just glue. Alright. So this probably isn't going to make it much bigger or change much of the color. Right, and after you have mixed that up, you're going to just leave this for a little while. This will also tell you if the slime is sticky or is it not sticky. Alright, and it's not sticky. Alright, so let's move this baby on that head. It's huge, guys. Look at this. Hope you enjoyed the music, because I know I'm mostly been switching this one because it's so fun. It's so fun. Okay, well, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Wait, I want to see how big it is in the back. Come on. Let's put it in the green bag just because it just seems green. Oh, I love this. This is cool. That's cool. Oh, well, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. If you give this video a thumbs up, if you enjoyed this video, and if you did all, that's alright, guys. Give this video a thumbs down. Thanks for watching. Bye.